DSEI 2023 in London becomes the stage for Galvian's grand showcase. As a leader in military manufacturing, Galvian pulls out all the stops with their cutting-edge equipment. Spotlighting their new combat helmets, the company is redefining defense gear. These helmets aren't just for show. Their superior design and functionality are raising the bar. These helmets are preferred by special operations forces and light dismounted troops across NATO countries. Helmets are a major deal for Galvian, with plans to deploy 1.5 million across NATO and Europe by 2025. The modern warfare landscape changes, and Galvian stays ahead with innovative, integrated systems. Among 4 helmet categories, the Battleskin Cayman stands out, equipped with the state-of-the-art Apex lining system. The helmet's design accommodates mission-specific accessories and is already operational in several countries. The Cayman platform prides itself on its lightness and comfort, tailored for integrating essential modern equipment. Galvian remains at the forefront of defense manufacturing, setting trends and shaping the future of military equipment. That's all for today. To stay up to date on AI plus military developments, don't forget to subscribe.